Hi there, and welcome to Choice of Voice UK. We're here for all things vocal, and basically, welcome to our channel. Great to have you here. And as you can probably see today, we're out and about. And actually, sometimes it's really good for the head to get out and about, to have a chance to think about things. So today, I really want to talk about motivation. And if you're in that beginning cusp, thinking about starting doing voiceover, what's stopping you? That's got to be the question. What's stopping you doing it? Is it, one, you don't know where to start? And let's face it, we've all been there. Every single voiceover artist will have been in that exact same position. Or is it things getting into your head, not getting the support from other people, not knowing really what to do, and then other people going, yeah, no, it's a daft idea. Yeah, I did tell you you've got a really good voice, but actually probably it's not for you. So what is it that's getting into your head to stop you from doing it? Well, all I can say is naysayers will always happen. And it's about making sure that you actually cover yourself and surround yourself with people that are going to help and support you if this is your dream thing you want to do. Now, let's face it, when you're starting off as a voiceover artist, you're doing it as a side hustle. You're doing it as a part to go along with either a key part-time job or a full-time job. But it's something that you want to make a go at. Do you have that dream to go full-time and make six-figure sums through voiceover? If you have, you've got the motivation. That's there. Now, the bit is, if you haven't got the motivation, no one can give you that motivation. But what can happen is things can chip away to stop you from having that fully fledged motivation to keep going. So, what we're going to cover over the next few weeks is the top 4 starting places, or the first 4 starting places to think of when start doing voiceover. Okay, and we're going to start that off from next week. So we'll go step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4 for you, and we're going to do that over the next 4 weeks. So definitely, if you're watching this channel, make sure you've subscribed. Hit the subscribe button, because you don't want to miss the video, and also hit the notifications button as well. Now, if this sounds like something that's going to be really good for you and really, really helpful in the start of your journey on your voiceover career, then let us know in the comments down below, will you? It'd be really, really good. Also, if you want to make contact with us, got any questions or anything else like that at all, do put them down in the comments, or alternatively, just go to our website, which is choiceofvoice.co.uk or choiceofvoice.com. Take your choice. There you go. Brilliant. So my name's Steve. I'm here to help you on your voiceover journey. And sometimes it's good to get away from everything just to think it over. Do you know what? Sometimes just going for a walk really does make a massive difference when I'm starting to think about things and starting to think about how I progress things. So maybe you just need to get away, some fresh air on your own, just to talk it through. Great. Thank you for joining us on this week's video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.